One of the 9 Belgians repatriated from the Chinese city of Wuhan is infected by the coronavirus, according to the country's Minister for Health. It takes the total number of cases on EU soil to 24, and now the European Parliament is asking for an assessment from the European Centre for Disease Prevention and Control.
There is a regular exchange between all member states on the measures that they have already taken, informing the public, informing travelers, informing the healthcare professionals and so forth. All the countries have preparedness plans. This virus is new. There are many characteristics that we don't know yet, and we are learning along the way. We have right now, we cannot make projections how long this will take.
China has built a makeshift hospital in 10 days with 1,000 beds in Wuhan and is adapting existing conference halls to receive more patients. The Chinese ambassador to the EU says the government is putting in all the efforts it can into containing the disease.
We also need to be fully aware of the challenges ahead. We would never slacken our efforts in the response, and we need to work toward the goal of finally eliminating this epidemic.
Scientists currently believe that it was a bat hosting the virus which contaminated other animal species. And that animal might have come into contact with humans in the Hunan seafood market in Wuhan. The president of the European Parliament's Environment Committee says the EU can no longer turn a blind eye to the low standards in China.
The traceability system about what the Chinese people eat is totally outdated. Europeans have almost no permission to make audits in China about the products that they export to the EU, especially the food products and, most importantly, the animals for consumption. I think we need to redress this, maybe in midterm, not tomorrow, but China can no longer function with the yearly rhythm of food scandals.
Tous les ans, il y en a un qui sort.
Some are pushing for EU ministers to gather in an extraordinary meeting to discuss the coronavirus. There's also pressure on the Chinese government to accept World Health Organization monitors to see whether its recommendations are being implemented. Jack Parrick, Euronews, Brussels.